code, what you can do is you can go into Canva, and along the right side, you will see, if you scroll down, you will see apps. And from the apps, if you click on that and you put in just QR code or simple QR code, you'll get a bunch of different options to be able to create a QR code. I'm just going to choose the QR code. And so what you do is you click on that, and it will give you the option to put in your URL. Now, depending on where you want to send the person with your QR code, are you going to send them to more information about the college graduate? Do you want to send them to a Venmo where they can donate money for your college fund? I've seen where people will do passport funds if they're going to be studying overseas. I've seen QR codes go wherever. You can have the graduate do a little quick video, save the video to like YouTube, and then put the YouTube link there. But all you do is basically you put in a URL wherever you want to send them, and then what you do is you generate a QR code, and that will make you a new QR code. So the one that I have there just to be a placeholder, all you do is you delete that one, and you bring in the new QR code, and you just place it on your sign however you want to put it. And there you go. And then people can use their phone with their camera, and you can send them to wherever you want with that QR code. Very simple. And then when you're done, you just go to the share and download like you normally would. You can choose PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF, and you can download it and print it however you like. Also, with the QR code, depending if you have a pro version or a not pro version, if you're using a free version of Canva, it may charge you a little bit depending on the QR code app that you choose. So I think part of having the app's ability, and depending if you have a free account, it may cost you like $1 to download it. I'm not real sure depending on what type of Canva that you have. But anyway, that's an easy way to do it. There are also free QR code generators out there on the web that you can do it that way as well, and just put in a QR code and use your QR code to send your people wherever you want to send them. So hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy your graduation party.